What's up, guys? Dre Hall here today. I want to show you this system. You're going to be able to get instant access to this system, right? So I'm going to finish setting this up. I'm going to show you guys how to actually build websites like this in the training, but that's besides the point. I like to handle the business laid back. These are automated systems set up ready to work for you, so there's not much you need to do or can do in that matter that increase the effectiveness, but there are little things like customization and branding, right, that the product goes over that helps you. We're gonna go to a site page, choose a link, set this over to the unlimited cash page. We're gonna click publish. We view our site. So we're gonna enter our name. So the total cost to do what I'm about to show you is gonna, the starting price is only $30, but you can get started, with what I recommend, the recommended setup, which is $90 today. You're gonna be equipped to see the full power of an online business, and only $30 a month, you'll be good to go to make unlimited Cash App payments. Okay, so how I'm utilizing a simple lead source to generate endless $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $25 commissions. The simple truth is this: I got started on February 25th, and right here I got 100 leads for getting started. That's what you've seen on this first page, right? The lead category, sent number. And my team and I have been testing out a system that generates $25, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 commissions. The system has been amazing and able to produce results. Test drive the system by clicking here for the Facebook hack. This brings you over to a Facebook funnel for the system. I'm telling you about this, only $30 to make money online. So that's how you get started right here, following this process all the way through to the account creation. You'll be able to create an account and select your package. As you see, I sold a $250 package on February 23rd. Right, that's $250 instantly that I was able to access. It's sent to my account. Week one of my lead generation secret I want to share with you looks like this, right? So you see 100 leads on day one, 200 leads on day two, 300 leads on day three, 500 leads on day five, 600 leads on day six, 700 leads on day seven. Don't miss day four like I've done. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no 400, 500, 600, 700. Stay consistent on emailing your leads. That's the secret to getting results. So why did my leads double? Right? You see 700 March 2nd. On March 3rd, it's absent. It would be at 800. Then March 4th, it went up to 200. It went up 200. Right, on day 8 or day 9, actually, I got 1,000 leads instead of just being at 900 leads altogether. I was at 1,000 leads altogether. All I did is refer one person. On that day 6, my daily leads doubled. So how to start making $25 to $1,000 over multiple times with only a one-time investment. That's this sign up link right here. It brings you over to the sign up form. That's how you sign up, referred by me. Now my lead source that I use right here, sign up to have 100 to 200 leads daily. That's what these pictures is all about. Step 3, verify both payments with me for your bonus, right? I have a lot of bonuses to give away. One of them being this website that's high converting. It looks good. It's very simple, straight to the point. So we'll convert. So let's go over. Let's send out. Let's show you what you actually do to make money with the current setup I have. You can make. So the first thing you want to do is take your website link, go over to Bitly. I promise you guys this stuff is simple. why we're going over Bitly is to shorten our link. So I'm going to go ahead and click create. Well, that's a good name. Unlimited cash link. So we go over the mailing system, right? Let's go through this real quick just to show you guys. So leads yesterday 200, bonus leads today 100, leads today 100. Here's some of the email statistics, right? Once I get better, I'll be able to write higher converting emails. So let's my leads, 200 leads will appear in 23 hours 25 minutes. So you see here's leads, right? This isn't a game, guys. You know, you can start getting results for your online business. Inside the affiliates tab, right, on day 6, or what was it, day 8, when my leads doubled, 03/2020. So what is that? That's actually day 7. So day 6, day 7-ish, right? I got a referral through the My Lead Gen secret system. So that's actually how you know this traffic source works, or how I do anyway. So leads selected for mailing 2200. Boss. Yeah. Opportunity to meet here this time around on planet Earth. You're interested? Make money? If yes, keep reading. If no, are you crazy? Start earning $1,000, $500, $250, $100, and $25 commissions very easily. I show you on my website after confirming your email. This process in under 10 minutes. I also show you my lead source. $90 $90 is all you really need to see results. You're going to want to invest more after seeing this video, because why miss out on easy 1K $100 commissions? Start here and contact me via step 3 for your bonuses. I'll teach you everything about YouTube. Start here. Maybe we could get a YouTube image in here. Actually, we can't upload it. So that's how we're going to do that. We'll turn the perfect timing on. We'll click send email. and you see in 23 hours we'll be able to email again, and that's as easy as it gets, guys. So what I need to do is come upload this video on the website that I just sent out, which is this one. People come over to the website. Well, they're already on their way, right? I just sent traffic to the website. Right now they're on their way. So they come here, name, then they come see this website, right, where I show them I made money. I revealed to them the system that I used to make this money, which is step one. How I already have the people on the way. Step two, sent 2,200 leads on March 10, 2020. 0 open, 0 clicked, etc. So the people, these numbers are going to go up, right? There's no doubt about that. You see these numbers right here. These numbers was able to produce a affiliate. The cool thing about this system too, right, it actually shows you right, which email this person converted from. I forget how to do it. Well, day 5, right, this was March 3rd. So which email it was had to have been this one. So with that being said, you see I sent this email out on March 2nd, and on March 3rd, there was a referral. So this is how you do this stuff, guys. Once you refer one person, you'll be up to over 6,000 leads per month. This is my first month. I already have over 2,200 leads. Go ahead and follow the steps to get started, then verify both your payments with me on Facebook. And that's that's how you're going to be able to make $1,000 commissions, $500 commissions, $250 commissions, $100 commissions, and $25 commissions multiple times per day. Another way, right, that you could generate results, how I'm able to actually generate results before my lead gen secret is by building a brand on Facebook, which is what step 1 is all about, teaching you how to do that. Plus you get my bonuses. But how we do this is simple. We have our ads. Try finding one. Say one like this, for instance. And it'd be as simple as that. Now when people respond to the information, what you would do is send over your link. Your link is what explains the whole process to the people so you don't have to. And that is, a viable marketing plan. You already have leads right here set up and ready to go. I'm ready when you are. Take action. Welcome to the team. I'll see you guys on the next video.